How to remove leaves from your yard with minimum effort. A yard covered in leaves is an overwhelming sight. Take charge of your yard by removing unsightly leaves with minimal effort by letting power tools do the work for you. You may want to check with your neighborhood or community association ahead of time to ensure the noise generated by tools, like electric leaf blowers, do not violate neighborhood noise standards. Leaf blowers can be loud, especially over a long period of time. With routine clearing of your yard, however, you shouldn't be out there for long. Things you will need: tarp, earplugs, goggles, electric leaf blower. Spread out a tarp in your yard about middle way. Put in your earplugs and put on your protective goggles. Turn on your electric leaf blower while standing nearest to your house. You will be blowing leaves outward toward the tarp. Blow the leaves from your garden beds and under shrubs that are nearest to your house until you blow them in small groups onto a tarp. Drag the tarp to the road. Empty the leaves on the side of road for city pickup. If your city does not have a leaf collection, then consider making a compost pile in your backyard. You can use the organic material that forms from the degrading leaves to enrich your garden. Yet another option is to purchase biodegradable trash bags and to use those to collect the leaves on the tarp.